Yes, very good morning to all of you. So we all were learning chapter number 4, that is your Microsoft Excel. And in last class we have done assessment part. I hope everyone has completed their notebook and book part. Am I right? How many students have completed their work? I can see someone has sent me email, I think Digvijay, and they have sent the PDF on my WhatsApp number also. So I am expecting each and everyone will send the completed work of computer to me. Okay? And today we will do some practical, some activity related to advanced Microsoft Excel. Is it clear? Okay. So everyone open page number 58. Okay, so open page number 58 and you will be able to see this assessment. This is your practical lab activity. Okay, I will just zoom in so that you can have a clear look, clear view. Okay, so this is the activity we are going to discuss. We will design an MS Excel sheet and with the help of some formulas we will do some calculation. Okay, so now I will read the activity, then we will start doing the practical for same. And one more thing I just want to tell you, like in your Pihu, please open your book beta if you have. Okay. Okay, so now one more thing I want to tell, like in your periodic test, when subjective question will be there, in subjective question I will give you some practical work, okay, not theoretical work. So I can give you anything related to your Microsoft Excel or all the chapters we are discussed till now. Okay, so practical questions will be there in your subjective paper. Page number 58. So everyone make sure you all are listening it carefully. Okay? Okay. So activity is Rekha has prepared a worksheet in Excel as shown below. She wants to find out the maximum and minimum for each column. Help her by writing the formula or function which she must use. Okay, so now what we have to do? Rekha ने क्या किया? Excel sheet create की है. Okay, same Excel sheet you have to create in your computer, in your laptop, okay, or in your mobile phone also. Now she wants to find out the maximum and minimum for each column. So we are having here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns she has designed and we have to find out maximum number in this column and minimum number in this column. Similar, in this column we have to do the same work. Now what we have to do? We have to write formula for her so that she can find out the maximum and minimum number. Page number 58 beta. Maybe due to some network issue, you all are having blurry screen because I can see everything is clear here beta. Just check your network connection, your sound connection. Okay, so now we are going to create this one. Is it clear now? Yes, Gargi, so what you are saying beta? Second, fill in the blanks, what is there? Page number 57, okay. Individual cell or a cell range. Okay, so there you can write down individual cell or a cell range. Is it clear, Gargi? Okay, so now we will continue. First of all, what we have to open? We have to open MS Excel in our system. So I have already opened this one and created a worksheet for all of you. The same worksheet given in the book I have created in this MS Excel. I hope everyone know how to create this Excel sheet. सबको पता ना कैसे बनाना है ये कंप्यूटर में? Is it clear to all of you this screen? Okay, so first of all you have to write here serial number, then column 1, same sheet we have to create, we can see in the book. Okay, in the same way I have created here serial number, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. फिर आपने इसका कलर फिल किया from here, okay, from font group. Then आपने जो भी डेटा एंट्रीज आपकी बुक में लिखी हुई थी as it is you have filled here. Is it clear? Everyone knows how we can create this Excel sheet. You all have studied this thing in class 3rd and class 4th, 5th. I hope everyone knows how to fill this data. Am I right? If anyone don't know how to create this sheet, please let me know. Okay, Pihu. So how we can open this one? So you have to write here in this search bar, write here EXCEL, Excel. Okay, so when you will write Excel, you will be able to see this application in your laptop, in your computer, or anywhere there is an office. Okay, so if you will write EXCEL, you will be able to find out this sheet. Okay, so just click on this one and click on blank worksheet, your Excel sheet will be open. Is it clear, Pihu? Okay, so I have created already. So in this way, you just have to click here and start typing whatever you want to type. और फिर अगर आपको फॉन्ट बड़ा करना है, so just select complete data, जैसे कि आपने यहाँ से यहाँ तक सिलेक्ट किया. ओके, अगर आपने पूरा सिलेक्ट किया, you want to increase the font size, तो आप यहाँ से फॉन्ट साइज भी इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. यू नो ऑल दिस थिंग, आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस थिंग फ्रॉम यू. जयराज, प्लीज चेक सेटिंग्स फ्रॉम योर साइड बेटा. ओके, अगर आपको और बड़ा करना है, यू ऑल्सो कैन डू दैट. अगर आपको कोई फॉन्ट स्टाइल चेंज करना है, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. So all these things you know very well. From this font group in home tab, you can do this designing. Like अगर आपको font का color change करना है, background fill करना है, बैकग्राउंड फिल करने के लिए हमारे पास ये है. सो इफ यू वांट टू कीप दिस ग्रीन, आपने सारा फिल कर दिया ग्रीन. ओके, अब हम सिर्फ इसको व्हाइट रखना चाहते हैं पीछे का बैकग्राउंड. दिस वन इज ग्रे. ओके, सो वी वांट टू कीप दिस नो फिल and this one we want to fill, first one. So what we have to do, we will select this one only and fill the color. Suppose I want to keep this red, or I want to keep this light one, lighter one, this one. Okay, so in this way you can do the changes. फिर आपको जैसे कि कॉलम 3 आपका पूरा नहीं आ रहा, आपको इसको भी बढ़ाना है, तो जस्ट यहाँ पे क्लिक करो और इसको स्क्रॉल करो, तो इसका साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. इसका भी अगर आपको करना है, इसको पकड़ो और इसको स्क्रॉल करो, ये साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. यू नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट? Now what we have to do, we have to find out, we have to write formula and we have to help Rekha so that she can find out the maximum and minimum number throughout this column. Okay, so we have to do this thing. How we can do? Anyone who will tell me like how we can find out the maximum number in column number 1? Just write your answer in chat box. How we can find out? Yes, Tamanna, tell me beta. Tamanna, tell me what you are asking. Nikhil, maybe you all are having network issue beta.
Ma'am, I don't have laptop.
Okay.
And ma'am, I don't know how to do that column work in mobile phone.
You have to download WPS in your phone. Okay, then you will be able to do this thing in your phone also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is very simple. Like I will show you one thing. Suppose you want to create one column in this sheet. Okay. So just click here. 1 second. Okay. Click here and with the help of keyboard, write here COLUMN, column 5. So in this way you can create this column. It's very easy. Just जहाँ पे भी आपको लिखना है वहाँ पे आप अपना कर्सर लेके आओगे, कीबोर्ड से आप टाइप करोगे, फिर आपको यहाँ पे नंबर्स ऐड करने तो आप नंबर ऐड कर सकते हो. It's very simple. Okay, so in this way you can create this column. Is it clear? Okay, so now we want to just keep the same data we have in book, so we will delete this one. Now we want to find out maximum number in this column. Now tell me, who will tell me how we can find the maximum number in column number 1? Hardik, you not understand? What you not understand, beta? सी, आपको जस्ट डेटा एंटर करना है, ठीक है। डेटा एंटर करने के बाद हमें इस कॉलम में फाइंड आउट करना है कि मैक्सिमम नंबर क्या है, मिनिमम नंबर क्या है, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे मैक्सिमम नंबर, क्योंकि हम पहले मैक्सिमम नंबर फाइंड करेंगे, मैक्स नंबर। ओके, हम इसका भी थोड़ा साइज इंक्रीज कर देंगे और फिर यहाँ पे लिखेंगे मिन नंबर, मतलब मिनिमम नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है। ये आपको तब समझ आएगा जब आप अपने घर पे कंप्यूटर पे लैपटॉप पे वर्क करोगे। अगर आप सिर्फ थ्योरी पढ़ोगे तो आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा। सो यू हैव टू अरेंज लैपटॉप और पीसीज एट योर होम इफ यू वांट टू डू लर्न सम प्रैक्टिकल। ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी विल increase the size. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the maximum number in this column. For that what we have to do, we will select the complete data. आपने इस कॉलम को सिलेक्ट किया with the help of mouse. Now come here in formula tab. Okay, write each and every step in your notebook like how you have to do this practical. First of all, we have to open Excel application. Okay, after opening that application you have to insert this data. Now we have insert this data, we have to find out maximum number. For that we have to select this column, click on the formula tab. I will just scroll down so that you can see the upper portion of this window also. Okay, so this is the formula tab. When you will click on this formula tab, here you will be able to find auto sum. Just click on this auto sum, then we have to find out maximum number. Click on maximum number and your answer is here. See, यहाँ पे कितने नंबर हैं? 55, 28, 46, 35. इन सब में सबसे बड़ा नंबर क्या है? 55. And here is the answer 55. Is it clear to all of you how we have find out the maximum number in this column? Is it clear or not? Okay. In similar way, if you want to find out the minimum number, same procedure will be there. Just select the data. Okay. Now in formula tab in auto sum, click on min. So when you will click on min, you can see here 28. So among this, minimum number is 28. In this way, you can find out the minimum number. Okay, I will just increase the font size here also, so that you can have a better look. Okay, so this is the result. Next, अब ये तो हमने किया था कि ऑटोमेटिक हमने फाइंड किया, बट अगर हमने मैनुअली करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? फॉर दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ वी कैन डू दैट थिंग. सो दिस इज योर C2 up to C5. So you will write here equal to sign max bracket start C2 colon C5 ब्रैकेट क्लोज. देखो जैसे ही मैंने लिखा C2 colon C25, अपने आप यहां से यहां तक सिलेक्ट हो गया. कैसे सिलेक्ट हुआ? ये क्या कौन सा कॉलम है? ऊपर देखो लिखा हुआ है C, और किस रो में आपने पहला डेटा डाला है? 2, 3, 4, 5. सो 2 से लेकर 5 तक. तो सेम चीज हमने लिखी, इक्वल टू सिग्नेचर साइन मैक्स इज द फॉर्मूला नेम, क्योंकि आपको मैक्सिमम नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. फिर कहां से करना है? C2 से लेकर C5 तक. तो जैसे आप एंटर प्रेस करोगे, C 73 is here because 73 is the maximum number among these numbers. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the minimum number with the manual formula, the same procedure you have to follow. Equal to sign, min, bracket start, C2, colon C5, ब्रैकेट क्लोज. तो जैसे ही आप लिखोगे C2 C5, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका डेटा क्या हो जाएगा, सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट you have to click on enter. Now you can see among this minimum number is 11. So in this way you can find out the minimum number with the manual data, manual function entering. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Yes beta, this is Microsoft Excel. Now in this column same thing we have to do. Students who are not understanding, same thing I am telling you again and again. So just concentrate on learning. If you will concentrate on typing in chat box, then nothing will be clear to you. Same thing I have explained here, same thing I have explained here, and same thing I will explain in coming two columns, so that you can do the revision if you have some doubts. So concentrate on learning rather than writing your things in chat box. Okay. So if you will concentrate on learning without thinking like, ma'am, I am not understanding, then you will not be able to understand. So first focus whatever I am telling to you. Is it clear to all of you? Because we are having 4 columns and same thing we are doing in all the columns, so that you can do the revision. Okay? Okay. So now, same column we are having, we have to find out the maximum number. How we can find? सिलेक्ट किया डेटा को, वेरी सिंपल. फॉर्मूला टैब पे क्लिक किया, वेरी सिंपल. फॉर्मूला टैब पे क्लिक करने के बाद ऑटो सम पे क्लिक किया, एंड ऑटो सम पे क्लिक करने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, मैक्सिमम नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन मैक्सिमम नंबर, योर रिजल्ट इज हियर. सी हाउ सिंपल इज इट. Is it or not? Same. Next thing, we have to find out the minimum number. We will select the data. Now in formula tab, in auto sum, click on min. Your result is here. Any doubt anyone? Now tell me, is it clear or not? Yes, Anu, I will explain. Same thing I am explaining, because we are having 4 columns, and in all the columns we have to find out the minimum or maximum number. Okay, that's why in the same column we are doing the same thing only, so that you can do the revision also if you have some doubt in anyone. Now in the last, see it carefully. This is the data we are having, okay, and in this column we are having 4 entries, 43, 75, 22, 56. We have to find out maximum number among these. How we can find this? We have to select this data with the help of mouse. We have selected these data in column number 4. Now what next we have to do? We will click on this formula tab. From here you can see formula. We will click on this. So when you will click on this, you will see this auto sum option. Okay, and in auto sum option you will be able to find sum, average, count number, max, many more options are here, but we have to find out the maximum number. That's why we will click on max only. So when you will click on max, you will be able to see your answer. आपको आपका आंसर मिल जाएगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 43 है, 75 है, 22 है, 56 है. तो इन सब में से हमारा मैक्सिमम नंबर क्या है? 75. तो जब आप फॉर्मूला टैब पे जाके ऑटो सम पे क्लिक करोगे, तो उसमें जो भी आपका मैक्सिमम नंबर होगा ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू नाउ? समझ आया सबको? ओके, वन मोर थिंग. इन द सेम वे वी हैव फाइंड आउट द मैक्सिमम नंबर, in the same way we will find out the minimum number. So how we can do that thing? Again same column, same thing we will select. क्योंकि इन चारों डेटा पे आपको ऑपरेशन करना है, तो आपने 4 डेटा आपके सिलेक्ट कर ली. ठीक है, फॉर्मूला टैब पे गए, ऑटो सम पे गए, और फिर आपने मिनिमम पे क्लिक किया. तो जैसे ही आपने मिनिमम पे क्लिक किया, योर आंसर इज हियर. एंड यू कैन सी 43, 75, 22, 56. Minimum number क्या है among this number? 22. So your answer is here 22. Now tell me, any doubt anyone? Is it clear to all of you or not?